So here it comes enter your BOD, means we have to enter our birth date. So let me enter mine, which is okay, country just okay, 2006, and it's February 12th. Okay, I am just setting it, and okay. Okay, now you can see that it is displaying 12 to 2006, means it's my birth date. And now present date. So today's present date is 23rd August 2020. So August 2023. Okay, 23/8. Now if I click on your age, then it is showing 14/6, means 14 years 6 months. My age is 14 years 6 months. Hi guys, in this video we will learn how we can make a simple age calculator app in MIT App Inventor. So first create a project and give its name, then it will take some time to load the screen. Okay, now let's start making our age calculator app. So for that, first go to layout and set a vertical arrangement, then set its height to fill parent, also width to fill parent. Now what we have to do, if you want you can set the background color. So I am setting the background color to something this. Okay, now let's set the user interface. From there we have to set date picker. So date picker 1, then date picker 2, then a button. Okay, these are the main, and we have to display. So date picker 1's date displayer will be level 1, above the date picker 1, and then level 2 will be date picker 2's displayer. So it will be above level date picker 2, and then the final age shower will be above button 1. Okay, so now we have to design this. Text for level 1 will be size will be 30 something, and there will be no text. Now also same for level 2. Also for level 3. And if you want, then you can set this to font bold. So I am keeping them to font bold. Okay, so background color is nothing, and text color, let's keep that to something. Okay, this one. Okay, so text, this one, let's copy that code, copy, because it's a custom. And for level 2 also it's custom, this one, and let's test it. Okay, look, it's showing now. Okay, it should be a bit darker, but let's just change the background color of the G. Okay, this one is great. Okay, now let's erase it. Now we have to design the date pickers. So date pickers on date picker 1's background color should be orange, and its shape should be rounded, font size should be 30, and font should be bold, yes, bold, and its weight should be fill parent. Same for date picker 2, its background color should be orange, font should be 30, and font should be bold, white should be fill parent, and shape I am keeping the shape rounded. And for button 1's font is bold, font size is 30, white is fill parent, and the shape is rounded, and its background color will be this one. Or okay, let me tell that you can give all this, set all this according to your own taste, no matter of selection. Okay, this one's good. Okay, and or just vice versa. Now it's looking good. Okay, yellow is good. And now let's keep the text for button 1 is that your age, and text color to white. Oh, not white, red, something like red, orange. Okay, this one's good. And this is for enter your birth of date, BOD, birth of date, and text level 2 is date picker 2 is enter present date. Now enter present date. Okay, now let's go to the coding section. Okay, everything is good here. Now let's go to the coding section. And when the date picker once date is set, means after the date picker once date is set, then we have to set level 1 text to join. We have to join all three, day, month and year. So joined, and here we need to increase the string 5 to 5. Okay, 5 strings. And we have to join, what to join, we have to join the date picker 1. We have to set the level 1's text to date picker 1's day, and then give a colon, like something punctuation mark. I'm not sure if this is called colon or something. Okay, and same for next one. It should be month, so month, and then same here. After that it should be year, day, month and year. Okay, now same thing for date picker 2. So date picker 2 is present date. So after date picker 2, just copy and paste it, and when date picker 1, instead of date picker 1, set when date picker 2, and set everything to 2, set level 2, and join date picker 2, date picker 2, date picker 2. Okay, now this is great. And this is our complete. Now when someone clicks the button, means your age button, then when button 1 is clicked, then we have to set level 3, means the final level text to set level 3 text to. Again we have to join, so just copy and paste this. We have to join. What join? Now we have to just join year and month, because we have to say that 1 year 2 months older or something like that. So delete the last 2 and remove this. Okay, now date picker set level join we have to join what? Join not this one, delete also this one. And now we have to do some mathematical functions, which is subtraction, copy, and now we have to subtract from the date picker to year. So date picker to copy and paste this one, date picker to year, subtract minus date picker once year. Okay, so same thing, just copy and paste, and this here, and date picker, and then after year comes month, so date picker to month from date picker once month. So this is our coding part completed, and here if you can see well, this is the whole coding part. Okay, so and this is our designer section. Now let's test our app and see if it is working or correctly or not. Okay, so now let's test our app. Go to MIT Companion, App Companion, continue without Wi-Fi, and scan QR code. So you can build the app, but I am not building it. I am just connecting it to the AI Companion and testing it. AI Companion, and now scan the QR code. Okay, now it is connecting 15% and 20%. It will take some seconds. Okay, now connecting. Okay, so here it comes, enter your BOD, means we have to enter our birth date. So let me enter mine, which is okay, country test, okay, 2006, and it's February 12th. Okay, I am just setting it, and it, okay, now you can see that it is displaying 12 to 2006, means it's my birth date. And now present date, so today's present date is 23rd August 2020, so August 23rd. Okay, 23/8. Now if I click on your age, then it is showing 14/6, means 14 years 6 months. My age is 14 years 6 months. And here you can see that the color of the final result is not is black and can't be seen properly. So let me just change its color to yellow. Okay, now it will refresh the AI Companion. You can set this all by your own choice. Okay, now again if I enter my dates, let's set my another date like November 2009. Let's test if it works or not. November 4th November 2009. Okay, and enter today's date, which is August 23rd August 2020, and click OK. Now your age is 11 years minus 3 months. 11 years minus 3 months means 3 months left to be 11 years, means 10 months 10 years 9 months. So it means 10 years 9 months. So you have to do some calculations here, because it is not showing that 11 3, it is showing 11 negative 3 minus 3. So it means that 3 months left to be 11. So it means 10 months 10 years 9 months. Okay, so like this you can calculate anyone's age. So you can make this app simply in just 10 minutes. So give it a try. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you very much.